Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy barbecue sauce recipe. So I actually have a little bit more of an in-depth barbecue sauce recipe from early on the channel, way back when. I don't even know what year it was, but it was a while ago. And that barbecue sauce is delicious. I love it. It's so tasty, but there's quite a few steps in it, and sometimes you're looking for something a little bit faster. This recipe accomplishes just that. It's equally as awesome, and you guys are going to love it for grilling and barbecue season, which we are in, thank God. So we are going to start with half of a cup of ketchup, and we're going to add a tablespoon or so of olive oil and the same amount of a Worcestershire sauce. After that, we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper. This is a sea salt, but any will do. Ooh, and my grinder's acting up. There we go. And then we're going to add a couple spices. I have a garlic powder here and a smoked paprika, maybe about a teaspoon of each. And then I have a tablespoon of a cider vinegar. After that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of a molasses. If you don't have molasses, brown sugar also works. But molasses is nice and sticky, icky, and tastes delicious. And then you are going to just get on in there and mix this all until it's really well blended. Molasses is a little sticky, so you're going to have to kind of like really just keep going with it until it starts to take the color and look like a traditional barbecue sauce. And there you have it, guys. Complicated is good, but sometimes easy is even better. This is a super easy barbecue sauce for you. You're gonna love it on chicken or anything that you like with barbecue sauce. Even just dunk some fries in it. It is that good. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.